Is the technology in your office unmanageable? Are you looking for ways to save money on the tools you already have? Need to figure out ways to enhance your website? What about your business cybersecurity needs? There is a solution, and it may cost you less than you expect. Keep watching until the end of the video to learn more about the answer. Hello, my name is Ken B, and I'm a 25-year veteran of the IT industry with leadership and business ownership experience. Welcome to the pilot episode of the SorceTek channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post our next video. Today I'm going to talk to you about managed IT services and the time and cost savings they provide. Now, when you own your own business, you wear many hats. Maybe it's a hat like this, or this. One of my favorites. Someone in the office has to play the tech support role, and someone has to figure out what IT solutions will grow the business without breaking the bank. When choosing a managed IT service firm, there are many factors to consider. With so many options, it can be tough to know where to start. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know to find the right managed IT service firm for your business. What is a managed IT service firm? First, let's define what that means. Managed IT services, or often referred to as MSPs, is a company that provides outsourced IT support and management for business. In other words, it's a company that takes care of all of your IT needs so that you don't have to. There are many different IT service firms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. So how do you know which one is right for your business? To answer that question, you will need to understand your business needs from a managed IT service firm. Once you know that, you can evaluate the firms and determine which is the best fit. Every business is different, so there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The managed IT service firm right for one company may not necessarily be suitable for another. To determine your needs, start by thinking about your goals. What are you hoping to accomplish by outsourcing your IT management? Maybe you never thought about outsourcing before, but you're starting to discover the pressure that's on maybe just one IT person in the building. Maybe your business model does not have the budget to have a full-time IT service provider. Maybe you need to lower the cost on your existing tool set, like if you're using Google Workspace or Office 365. Maybe it's new software procurement, technology installations, or cybersecurity solutions. Once you understand your goals, you can start looking for a firm to help you best achieve them. For example, let's say your goal is to improve customer service. In that case, you'd want to look for a firm that has a track record of providing excellent customer service, or let's say that your goal is to reduce your cost. In that case, you'd want to find a firm that has a proven track record of helping businesses save money on IT costs. The bottom line is, before you can start looking for an MSP, you need to understand your business needs from such a firm. Only then will you be able to find the right one. Now that you know what you're looking for in a managed IT service firm, it's time to start your search. The next step that I recommend is to treat each provider like an informational interview. Think of it like speed dating, but you're not trying to get hitched right off the bat. You're just trying to find who might best have a connection for your goals and objectives. Remember to keep those goals and objectives in mind while you're talking to these managed IT service firms and use that criteria for evaluating them. Here's a little known secret. Many MSPs can provide you with services at little to no upfront cost. I'm going to give you an example. I had an office with about 50 people in it, and we had an on-site voice over IP system. That system was well past end of life. It was no longer being manufactured, and the last support contract was running out. So I contacted an MSP for a solution. They presented us with options from 4 different vendors for a cloud-based system. One of those vendors happened to already be our office's internet service provider. So I asked our MSP to go ahead and set up an on-site demo with the vendor. We got to test different phones, go ahead and make a few phone calls. We even talked about the video solutions that vendor had. The proposal we got from that vendor came in much lower than we expected. As a matter of fact, they were reducing our monthly cost on our internet by 65% and was giving us 8 times faster service with the delivery of this voice over IP system in the cloud. When we signed the contract with that vendor, we were not billed a dime from the managed service provider. So with a little time and effort, you should be able to find a perfect managed IT service firm for your business, one that will help you achieve all of your goals and objectives. Thanks for watching. We want to hear from you, so please use the comments section below. And if this video helped you, give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching the SorceTek channel.